Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change footer line color in Microsoft Word. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word, and you can see I have header with the line with the color. Okay, so I will show you two methods that you can use and create the create the footer line with color. Okay, so what you need to do, just scroll down and you need to add the footer. You need to enable the footer. Just double click on that footer. Let me zoom in. Okay, zoom out and double click on footer, then the footer will be enabled. Or what we can do, go to the share search option and type footer here. So this footer, edit footer will be enabled, or you can add the footer like this. So we have blank footer. Now you can type your title or whatever content here, or you can just keep blank. Okay, so there is a two method. So first method, you can insert the shape. Go to the insert the shapes and hit that line, normal line, and now you need to hit the shift key and hold it. Okay, before you draw the line, you need to hit the shift key and hold it. Now draw the line like this. Okay, so shift key help us to draw a line very straight. So just draw a line what you want, length. Okay, whatever length you want, just draw it and release it. After that, you can see the shape format has been enabled. You can select the line color from here, and you can also change the color from here. Okay, you can choose any color here. You can change the line width. Okay, and you can change color from here. Okay, okay, if you are change line width, then choose color from here only. Okay, this section, don't choose shape style from here. Just select this color, that line color from here only. You have lots of color option here. If you want more color, you can go to the more color. You can see the more color. You can choose any color of this and apply to the line. Okay, so this is the first method. Second method, and if you want to delete this line, you have to just enable this footer again. Just double click on footer, select that line, and you can simply hit the delete button. And if you want to increase this or decrease the line, the length of this line, just hit the shift key, hold it, and select that dot and just drag the line, minimize or maximize the size. Okay, like this. Now you can delete. Just select the line and hit the delete. The second method, we can use the border and shading. So just enable the footer, and here on the share, go to the share and search for borders and headings, shadings. Select that. Now here select the border option. We have three option here, but you need to go in this border option, select none, select your border. Here you can change the color of this border, and here you can change that width, and here where you want this border. If you want to border the above your content, you can select this, and if you want to line below content, you can select this. Okay, or you can only select this and just click OK. Now you can write on the text on the line, and you can make this text center by selecting text, go to the home, and here in the under the paragraph you select that middle center align. Okay, so that is how you can make put the color line in footer in Word. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.